Hello there. Welcome to Scott Lynch Pop. I'm Scott Lynch, and today I thought I'd go ahead and show you a few things I like to do as far as my bedroom setup goes. Of course, right now as you can see, I'm laying in bed. One thing you can always tell right away, I've got the adjustable bed, which works out great. I can actually use this remote right here. I can actually use this and adjust it to whatever level I need to. This is actually the purple mattress and purple adjustable bed that I got through them. Works out very nicely. Now this mattress I have is actually a purple mattress. To be more specific, it is purple mattress number 3, which means they have 3 inches of a grid very similar to this here. This is the purple pillow that I have. You can see here it is actually very soft. I can see my fingers in it, it's very soft. But if I put my whole head down, it gives a fairly firm resistance. Makes it a very comfortable pillow. Like I said, this mattress actually has 3 inches of the grid, just like this one here. Purple does make 4 different sizes. There's one with the 1 inch, a purple mattress 2 inches, 3 inch, which is what I have. And they're most comfortable. However, I didn't spend for it because it was a little bit too pricey. It is the Purple 4, which has 4 inches of this right here. And I will show you some other things. Some of the other things I think are quite neat, not only with this adjustable bed that I've got, but also you probably notice I had a blanket sitting up right here. And the reason I have this blanket right here is so I have something that I can prop up my iPad so I can work on the iPad and do research or actually making a lot of these videos. I do all the editing right here on the iPad. It's a fairly new iPad, it's an iPad Pro, and I do have the Apple Pencil right here. And we'll go into more detail about this in another video. I have a few tips and tricks that I would like to share. But anyways, that's that right there for now. The other thing I wanted to show you, there have been some questions I've seen. People talk about using their phone while they're in bed. I can understand why if I didn't have this clip on here, it'd be hard to use your bed, especially if you're laying down. Tends to slide out of your head quite a bit. I've got this nice little, they call it a pop stick on here. This one is adjustable, clips right onto the side of your phone, so I can take it off fairly easy. And the reason I want to go ahead and be able to take it off easy is so I can sit it on this bed here for a nice little charge. If I can pick it up now without the grip on there. Anyways, I can set this phone down right here on this charger. Turn the camera off here, probably be a good idea. You can see right there, starts charging up. Yeah, that works out great with that pop socket. But as I found out a little bit easier, I've gone ahead and I bought a new little charger kit that I bought off Amazon that is basically phone. As you can see, this brick cable got a little magnet right there at the end. And if you look on the phone, the charger here, I've actually put a little magnetic base in the charger. So the charger, all I have to do is line her up there, and basically clips on, and the phone is charging. Makes it a lot easier for me. And plus, as you can see, this little magnet here will swivel around quite a bit. Like I said, very easy to plug in, and it can swivel around. Where if you use the regular cables, nylon cables, myself, I've got through several of them. I found this job makes it a lot easier for me, something that I can do quite easily in bed. The last thing that I'm going to talk about today is the fact that while I'm in the bed here and have my arm propped up, I've got the chair right here beside me. And in my wheelchair, I put in 2 urinals that I have in this plastic tub here. The reason being, obviously, is one part that works out being a guy. It comes in quite handy. Not quite sure how the girls do it. But anyways, I have these right here. If I need to use the restroom, I can easily grab one of these. And the reason I have 2 of them is simply because if I had to go to the restroom more than once, I don't have to worry about one being filled. And the other part is, if I was to pick one up, drop it, no harm, no foul if it's empty one, and I still have one more to go for it. Because I keep them in the tub right here. That way if they do spill, it doesn't go in the tire or anything, it just goes in the tub. One other little aspect that my mom made sure I do, we keep a towel here right underneath the chair. That way if there are any crumbs or droplets or anything, hopefully the towel will catch them before they get it on the floor. And I do have one other little aspect to say. I mentioned it before in some of my other videos, but now you can see why I have more of a smart room. Like I said, I can control the light with Siri, I can control the phone, or not the phone but the fan. I can control several different aspects here in my own room by just using Siri. The Apple speaker that I bought for it, they actually call it the mini HomePod. I can just say, "Hey Siri, turn on fan." And you feel like, of course my fan is still not going because it likes to be difficult whenever I turn to show it off. "Hey Siri, turn on fan." "Hey Siri, turn on the fan." There it goes. Like I said, Siri gets a little bit temperamental with me. Does a good job of aggravating me whenever I want to show it off. It doesn't quite work. But anyways, if you have any questions or comments, please let me know. And of course, give me a thumbs up would be great. Thank you all for watching.